Huko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Mutahi Ngunyi niaritie na niatarite President Ruto. Arera Ruto atiriri ati nuona cabinet secretaries aria winao a Gikuyu mafute othe. Gitumi niki aya andu matirako appreciate na a Gikuyu ni makinyete handu matirako appreciate ati iturwa ici he kabira ingi aikoni Jaruo, Ikamba, Baruhia, kabira icio ingi mahe tondu ni mego appreciate no tondu Mugiku ndako appreciate, please mafute othe ta cabinet secretaries. Na ungirora list ya cabinet secretary, ladies and gentlemen, Agikuyu nio mena cabinet secretaries aria aingi, na twi cabinet secretary out of 22 iturwa iria cietwo CES Agikuyu ni iturwa mugwanja, tondu kwina Alice Wahome wa lands, kwina Rebecca Miano tourism, kwina Eric Mureithi Muga water sanitations and irrigations, kwina Andrew Muhia Karaja agriculture, kwina Margaret Nyambura Ndung'u information and communication, kwina Justin Bidan Muturi public service, na kwina Mercy Kiiru wa Jao secretary to cabinet. Ungirora list iyo iroka Agikuyu mugwanja aria mahetwo tuturwa tunene thiini wa kana thiini wa thirikari ya Ruto kanta CSs. Tanitore uria Mutahi Ngunyi augite.
Neguo Mutahi Ngunyi augite no ni political analyst. Dear Ruto, Kikuyus will not change their mind. Ati Agikuyu matigũcenjia meciria mao. They are at ground zero with you. Why? No idea. Fire their ministers. Appoint Luos, Luyas, Kambas, and those who will appreciate you. Ati ramwira atiriri, ground kuria ndari na on hanini. Ati afute wira ministers othe, no appoint Jaluo, Ikamba, na Baruhia, kana acio angi. Now, ati andu ame kumu appreciate. Fix this Kikuyu problem once and for all. As a Kikuyu, some of us believe you should be downsized. We Ocean Mutahi Ngunyi tajiri maoni manyu thiini wa comment section.
Ocio ni Mutahi Ngunyi na no uria advice Ruto kana President Ruto akamwira futa cabinet secretaries ayothe tondu Agikuyu matirako appreciate, and you should be appreciated for what, by the way? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. Atiriri ona mafuto ma replace na andu angi, Mugikuyu eko benefit na ke kana eko lose ke? Mugikuyu eko lose nothing. Neke ndamwira o mundu gwitwo Gachagua arari deputy president ni ararwagira maundu ma coffee na akarwira maundu ma macani, ni akoretwo akiura na njohi cia ibango, reke turwe jina agriculture horo wa iria, ni akoretwo agifight muno. Heno ndwekirwo kana by the end of it all ni ko impeachro. If Gachagua tried gukirema kurira maundu ma coffee, in fact na kwina besha gutwika ciatengetwo kuriha mathina macio mothe ma coffee, getha arimi a coffee ama enjoy maisha. So makienjoy maisha kana besha icio ciatengwo wacokire gwithia atia gathini wa muco baithi ndaugire besha icio ni cia blokirwo gukinyira arimi a coffee mwena wa Central Kenya. Simulisikia alisema hivyo maundu ma iria na kenake. If Gachagua tried all this to fight for a Kikuyu or to fight for Kikuyus, aya mafutu ona meheri Kikuyus will lose nothing. Todo uria ariho, uria ngiaturuirire, uria ari hakwi muno na uria angiathanire ni kirio na nja. And that's what was the end. Mugikuyu aikirio nja hau. Do you think CS meguthi kumwira twenda no etikire? Nothing. So whatever Mutahi Ngunyi narrative iria Mutahi Ngunyi anageria wikore hana ni political analyst mundu hetekete gitio mi sioni kama ina make sense by all means. Mi kwangu I make sense because hata wakifuta au Kikuyu yote it doesn't Mukikuyu will lose nothing because they are gaining nothing, by the way. Todo akide muri kireke moyo agikoro kana miaka iri kuma hingo iria president aigerire gite-ini na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yaigairia gitaine reke twambe turore mundu ambaga kurora na mucii tiga Eldoret itwitwo Eldoret City aikari a mwena wa Rift Valley mabenefitete na kikigi from this government. Keturore, let's be honest with each other. Benefit na nini kwa serikali ado a Rift Valley? Akikone mashani, is it not the same as Central Kenya? So do rimo mashani the same. Thogore ithe tauria. Kana mashani ma Kerisho, kana mashani ma Kerisho ma Gorogoro, ukira mashani ma Murang'a. No kiuria. Maendeleo ni mariko matwaritwo kuria thiini wa Rift Valley. Kerisho ni kuri airstrip, at least ingekuwa imeexpandiwa kama kiwanja ya ndege kubwa, kama kiwanja ya ndege yani kiwanja kitu kinene, yani iwe kubwa. Have they done anything? So narrative ya Mutahi Ngunyi, for me it's not making any sense, because on a maigato Mugikuyu will lose nothing. Yes, Kikuyus have decided. They have decided because they are on the person uregia mateithirie mundu ya matetagira negatirwo. We supported this government 2022. We supported it, but after supporting it iretio matuikia naja. After supporting it na iko kumuhe kula nyingi muno ithe ndatwagire fata na gwikira Gachagua ja akiagiria Gikuyu fata. That's all. Mutahi Ngunyi should understand that. So this narrative Mutahi Ngunyi is trying to make, for me, prezo age mevikireria, maybe for him it can work, but on ale mareho akini mekubenefit nake. Usi hakuna vitu zina happen Kenya, hakuna maendeleo ina happen. Yani kila kitu ilisimama tondu kwiko ni maendeleo nitugiambitie kuona, but hakuna maendeleo inafanyika hapa nchini Kenya. Nothing. In fact, yesterday President Ruto Tanzania araugire ati Tanzania ni kirete Kenya na maundu maingi, na andu ni marakarite muno na statement hiyo, akiuga ati Tanzania ni kirete Kenya na maundu maingi. Yet he is the president of Kenya. Negiro ku make sure Kenya ndakinyiro ni mabũrũri mangi ma East Africa community. But a president saying that about his own country, about the country he is running, it's very wrong. Na andu ni marakarite muno na maundu macio. But still, there's a fact. But kidu kile gitumite ni uongozi utongoria utari mwega. Macio riu ni mataro ma mundu gwetwo Mutahi Ngunyi. According to me, Mutahi Ngunyi mataro macio make ne guteithia marateithia ba President Ruto. But by the end of it all, Mugikuyu already ashaumizwa. So on acio mafutwo nothing big. Okikuyu ataona ati nothing big, because mtu kama Kithure Kindiki is a puppet. Ndugirigithania Kithure Kindiki a deputy president no Rigathi wa Gachagua ari deputy president na eketwo haria through votes cia a Kenya na ni mundu urari na hinya. So now Mutahi Ngunyi amu advise you na president ona mataro macio maybe he can act the way he want, but by the end of it all Mugikuyu ni amwite kaende dareda kana thini Mount Kenya region ni ngumu kumuuza, even Kindiki mwenyewe kujiuza Mount Kenya region ni ngumu. Ketote tu ni guikara mambo iko namna hiyo, mnaona atia mnawikarete atia. Thank you very much. Na mwathime guys, it is what it is. Huko ni kwa Kikuyu Podcast. God bless you. Thank you so much. I really love you guys. Thank you.